UEI offers customers not only some of the best data acquisition and control hardware on the market, but also a library of free software they can use to easily jumpstart their applications. These software samples demonstrate the capabilities and functions of our broad range of I/O products. So for every I/O board we produce, there is corresponding software our customers can use. Broadly speaking, these short samples fall into two categories: low-level C samples and our framework code that supports a variety of popular programming languages like C++, Python, .NET, and LabVIEW, to name just a few. While they could be used as is, most application code is much longer and much more involved. Customers will typically use our free samples as a starting point or a template which they can insert into their application script. We provide all the samples on a USB drive included with every UEI purchase. Customers also have the option to download the samples directly from the UEI website. And if they've ordered a UEI pack system, the samples arrive pre-compiled and ready to run on the CPU itself. Bottom line, customers considered our free software library an incredibly valuable asset. Our software samples are a proven, practical demonstration, providing engineers a simple shortcut for using UEI hardware in their application. And finally, UEI customers can feel good knowing that our customer support team can be easily reached to discuss their application needs to ensure success for their project.